Innovation that truly matters for you, for your organization and for the world. With this spirit, let's start this video. Keep this thought in mind. We will come back at the end of this video. Before we move to the video, let me quickly introduce myself. This is Raman. I have over 17 plus years of experience in IT, working across multiple domains like healthcare, banking, retail, insurance and oil and gas business. And for the past 10 years, I have been deeply focused on healthcare industry, where I have seen a lot of growth and opportunities. I have worked on technologies like enterprise data warehousing, ERP system, reporting tools, financing platforms, health rules payers, EDI, HL7. There are many other tools which I have worked, and recently I have also worked on some of the AI tools, including generative AI, machine learning, business solutions. In this channel, I will be sharing some simple practical insights on AI, career growth and real world knowledge that can help you to stay relevant in today's fast changing world. In this video, we will be talking about some of the most valuable certifications that can help you upgrade your skills and stay relevant in today's fast changing world. I will also be sharing more such videos based on my experience whenever it is possible, and also I have implemented some of the tools using AI which is helping my day-to-day activities, simplifying so many tasks. So all these videos you will be seeing in upcoming days. These days, most of the people are having a lot of concerns about AI. AI is going to replace jobs. AI is going to make us jobless. All these things. So today video, I am going to give some of the important things which we need to concentrate, which we need to learn. And also, I wanted to tell you that AI is not going to replace our jobs. It's replacing people who don't adapt the AI skills. So that means AI is not coming and taking away entire jobs overnight. Instead, it is automating specific tasks within these jobs. Whatever we are doing day-to-day activities, some of the tasks it is going to simplify, it will automate it. If you are a data analyst, or if you are a developer, if you are a QA who is creating test cases and executing test cases, all these tasks can be handled by AI. It can create a code, it can generate in a report, it can give a more visualized report, and also it can create a test cases, it can execute test cases, it can write a business scenarios, it can write more business cases, use cases, and it can give more effective documentation also. So that is the reason we must have to enhance our skills, and AI is not going to replace our jobs, but someone who is using AI definitely can replace our job. So this point you have to remember. The difference is the person who uses AI becomes faster, more productive and more valuable to the organization. You may be seeing the person who is working from 30 years got fired. If you are not not useful for the business, and definitely the organization is going to definitely throw us outside, and this is the bitter truth in the IT industry. How long ever you are going to work for the organization, end of the day, if you are not useful for the organization, definitely they will fire us. So that is the reason we must have to learn new skills. We have to adapt new skills which can helpful for their business. So otherwise you have to build your own organization and work. So until unless you have your own organization, you must have to if you are thinking to work for someone, definitely you should be useful for someone. Then only they will keep you in the organization, they will pay you for your skill. So in many organizations, if they are not ready to adapt AI, it becomes serious challenge, and we are seeing these days most of the people are getting fired. This may continue few days, but over a period of time it will settle down. It will create more jobs as well. Even getting projects has become very difficult for the organizations as well, because I have involved getting projects, creating RFQs, request for quotation, how we go for a bidding for a project, in terms of bidding, how we go and budget, and we can do for XYZ cost. All these things we do it right in such a way. Organizations as well go to the clients, and they will project for this budget we can do this is the project, we can do it, these are the capabilities, we have it. All these things we'll showcase it, but end of the day most of the organizations are failing to get the project, failing to gain the projects, because there are some of the factors which I am going to share now. So with manual efforts, like we need to put more people, more cost is involved, and also like the timeline is also too high. Someone is like some organization is able to implement or like bring AI skills into this, definitely the cost will reduce and human resources will reduce. Definitely they can offer like for better cost, they can gain like much more projects like in this passion. No need to get scared, but keep learning and put some efforts. Try to learn all these certifications which I am going to show, as well as you don't need much coding knowledge as well. What are the certifications you have to concentrate? Today I am going to share all the list of the certifications. What are the certifications you have to concentrate on, like where you can get all these certifications, and like all of the certifications are like free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. And on top of that, I am also going to share some kind of like live tips and how we can deploy the things, how we can install like for example, if it is a cloud, how we can install into systems, like how we can progress all these things, like even whatever I have done so far, small projects, I can demonstrate them. So probably like it will help you to get better understanding. And the certifications, like it's not just like grabbing a certification, just completing the like videos or whatever maybe, then grabbing the certification. It's about like gaining the knowledge and like applying these skills to your project. Like if you are in organization, you have to apply these skills to your project, and also you have to do some hands-on, so that like definitely it will be helpful for you. Then let's go to here some of the certifications, and when it comes to like ChatGPT, Claude or Gemini, Grok, all these systems works on like same fundamentals, same mechanism. So all the AI system has a same mechanism, but they have a different platforms, so that you have to understand. Now let's go to some of the certifications here. First we will go to like Claude certifications. So Claude is having around like 13 plus certifications. If you look into like coding wise and fundamental, introduction, and there are more like deep learning as well. All these certifications like won't take much time to learn, but like don't rush to complete everything, but try to like learn each certificate and like put some efforts to implement the same things whatever like you have learned in the certification, so that like it will be definitely beneficial for you. So all these links like even I am going to share with you. So when it comes to certifications, I will definitely suggest like go with like beginner level, start like basic level of certifications. You no need to jump into advanced level of certifications immediately, instead of like focusing on how AI works, how generative AI works. And also like there are a few different terminologies you may see here, and you no need to be like surprised or get worried. So these are the certifications which I have completed, and I am going to keep all these links in the video description as well, so you can go through them. And some of the like videos still I am going through, and like some of them I have completed. Architect level certification, like we need to focus more, we have to do a lot of hands-on. So this certification more crucial. And also once we fail, if at all like if we fail, then another 6 months like you cannot reattempt that certification. There are some rules and regulations as well. So because of that, I am still focusing and like doing some hands-on, so that like once I am confident, I am trying to attempt those certificate. So these are the certifications you can list out, or like you can take a screenshot as well. And however, I am going to share the links in the description of the video as well, so that it will be like useful for you guys. So you have to just register your name and like with your email ID, and you can go ahead and like do all the certification. In case like if your organization is already partnered with Anthropic, then definitely like it will be a value add for you. They will provide a few more certification examinations like with free of cost, like you don't need to spend anything. And however, all the certifications are like free of cost. There is like only architect level certification, you won't be able to do it until unless your organization is partnered with Anthropic. While going through these certifications, you may get some confusion, like some of the advanced concepts or like advanced technical terms you may see here. Just go to Claude and like ask for explanation, ask for like more detailed explanation with scenarios, use cases. it will give more and more cases for you to understand. Then definitely you will be able to understand. And also here I will be making some other videos on sub-agents and agents and coworker, RAG, MCP, hooks, and LLM, prompts, ML, all these things. Even I'm doing some hands-on. Definitely I will make some videos. It will be useful for you as well. So I will also creating more videos converting real-time use cases as well, where I'm going to demonstrate some of the AI tool which I have already, as I told, which I have already developed. Those I'm going to keep some videos so that it will be definitely helpful for you guys. So data analytical certifications also very much important if you are going AI path. So data analyticals, we have some of the free certifications. Just you go ahead and Google it, just take a screenshot and Google it. So you will get all the certifications: data analysis by Google, and IBM data analysis, and Microsoft Power BI related data analysis, and Google analysis certifications. All these certifications as well, it's a free of cost. These are the programs help you to learn important tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and data visualization tools. Practical skills you will get. Now let's talk about some of the certifications, cloud related certifications. However, some of the certifications, two certifications already it is their part of the cloud, so which I'm going to share the link. So once you complete all relevant certificate to the Anthropic cloud related certifications, then finally you can go to Google Cloud and Bedrock. This is two different certifications. You can do it, you can learn more here, but you have to spend a lot of time for these certifications. So before that, if you are able to do it Azure Fundamental AZ900, or Google Cloud Fundamentals, or AWS Cloud Practitioner Essential, any 1 or 2 certifications is fine. But if you are specific to the any of the particular environment, then you can go with the top 2 certifications as well. Definitely it will be helpful for you. And along with these certifications, the domain knowledge also very much important. That I wanted to make it very clear. Understanding of specific industry, business process, and workflows, and real world problems use cases. These are the domain knowledge is very important. These are the key area for you. While many people are learning these tools and technologies, understanding business side, making a making a big difference. If you are having domain knowledge, definitely it's a great positive plus for you. See, from my experience in a healthcare, understanding end-to-end life cycle is very much important. It starts with I'm just trying to explain what involves in healthcare, member involvement, and different plans like commercial and Medicare, Medicaid, provider onboarding, and provider credentializing, and when a patient visit a provider, it comes to encounters, again CPT code, diagnosis codes, the claim submission process, and the claim again involved into EDI, some of the EDI transactions. Again, when it comes to core part of claim, it's a claim adjudication, and business rules, coverage, and pricing, and finally claim either approved or denied, partially paid, and also accumulators, deductible, copay, co-insurance, and out-of-pocket max. So all these things we must have to understand. Then it will be definitely plus for you. Having a deep understanding of life cycle of any of the business, definitely it will be plus for you. So AI is not going to give exact results some cases, that also we will be talking. So if you are having complete understanding on this business, definitely it will be positive for you. Here let's talk about why humans need to drive AI. AI cannot drive self. I mean to say someone has to be there. So even you I try to check with the AI, and I was just asking multiple questions about how and what, and what we need to learn to drive you, or what we need to for example if you need to generate a code, or you need to create some ETL, or create some SQL or Python coding, or create a website, anything. So you just need some of the knowledge how to interact with the AI. See, for example, AI has given some of the beautiful examples as well. So for example, you bought a car, you don't know how car engine works, and how other things work, how car wheels rotate, all these things you don't know. Just what you need is how to operate the car is very much important. Now here, how you are going to ask, how you are going to interact with the AI is more important, and how accurately you interact with the AI definitely we will get like quality of code, quality of documentation, quality of output. So that is where like a human is definitely required to drive AI. And you can ask like many questions to AI, like it never say no. It always like try to give some or other answers, like it's all works on like probability. I can say the data feed whatever like it is having, based on that like it can give some probability of value. It is not like 100% accurate. So that was the like reason like still bigger organizations and like bigger clients, they are still thinking and to adapt AI. They are still kind of like insecure, I mean to say, to adapt AI. Tomorrow like if something goes wrong, they have to end up like paying tons of like money to the people. So that is where still people are thinking. But like here human involvement is like very much is required. So that is the reason like AI cannot fully replace human decisions. AI works based on like data and patterns, and the systems runs on probability, as we discussed. So AI need direction, like it cannot work independently. It depends on the prompts, instructions, and the design. AI depends like heavy data, quality data, that is like heavy quality data. If the data itself is wrong, definitely it will give a negative results or like wrong results, I mean to say. We cannot trust like blindly. So the real power is not AI alone, but like it's a combination of human efforts and like AI. So we have to enhance our skills. We have to use AI to make things much faster, so that the projects and like other tasks can be delivered like faster. So beginning of the video, we talked about innovation that matters for you, for your organization, and for the world, and is what drives progress. If you look into past 20 years IT industry, the transformation, how it began and like how we are today, how it was and how we are now. So we moved from legacy systems to client server web-based applications, from OLTP systems to data warehouses, and I mean like OLAP systems, then ERP systems like SAP, Oracle. And every time like when they come up with new innovations, like complete world is shaking. This IT industry is shaking, and we have seen like a lot of BI tools. Like before we had very less BI tools. After that like Power BI and SAP BI, BO, and Tableau, all these like reporting. And also we have seen this big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark, and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Now it is a turn to AI and generative AI. So at every stage, like there were some uncertainty. People had concerns and challenges, and like about jobs, about future, and like if you look into like past 10 years and before, these call centers and like the supporting teams like who just support from chat window, all these jobs has been replaced over a period of time. But over a period of time, these innovations will create like lot of opportunities as well. We will get a new roles, and like new industries also like will try to implement so many things using AI. Thank you for spending time and watching this video. Keep learning, keep innovating new things. Definitely your innovations will definitely impact yourself and your organization and for this world. And keep in touch for more videos. Thank you so much.